a polynomial by another polynomial? Okay, Khushi, happy birthday to you. And welcome to Unacademy. Okay, so now tell me how many of you know how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial? Namaste. No issue, Sharat. Will you find it interesting? Good morning, Shruti. Yeah, so it's basically a polynomial divided by a polynomial. That's long division. We'll explain that today. And remember one thing, if this concept is clear, then only you will be able to solve chapter 2 of class 10, the polynomials. This is very important. You should know. So the basic concept required to do that chapter, I am dealing those things in my special classes. Okay, Khushi. So आज वो mistake ठीक कर देंगे. Don't worry. Right? So these are my special classes. And after these special classes, I am having 2 sessions on plus course. One is 130 to 230. I'm having polynomials in my plus course. You can see my videos there. And I have a batch, another batch at 7:30 to 8:30, where I'm doing linear equation in 2 variable. You can come on plus platform, and you can see all my lectures. I have made polynomials and linear equation really simple. So these are my 2 batches going on. Where? What's your name, bache? It's Halir the Star. What is this? What's your real name? Tell me your real name. Harsh. Okay. Harsh. Uh, there are around, I think, 10 plus kids in one that batch. You can come, you can join. You will enjoy that. See my videos. I'm about to complete polynomials. Today I am doing the optional exercise. At 1:30 I am doing optional exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. I'm doing this exercise. Now I don't know how many students there. Okay, chalo. Let's start. Let's start now. Okay, so this is Unacademy. And at Unacademy, you know, this is India's largest learning platform, right? Here you will find all types of courses, all subjects with best educators of India, right? So you have live sessions, you have live conversation. You can feel this that you are sitting in a class and doing your lectures. We have weekly quizzes, right? So there is a quiz tomorrow of polynomials as well as linear equation. We have 2 quiz tomorrow. We have live doubt clearing sessions. Every 4th or 5th class of my session is always a doubts clearing class. So you can come there and clear all your doubts from NCERT or from any other book. And then we have live practice questions with all the educators, right? Yeah, good morning, Vikas. Okay, chalo. So this is about myself, Kunal Chauhan, and I've been teaching math for the last 20 years. And I've been teaching maths to class of kids 9, 10th, 11th, and 12th, both CBSE and ICSE board. Also, I teach maths for SAT 1 and SAT 2. These are the exams related to abroad admissions, right? So if you want to go abroad, you want to go in one of the best colleges of world, Ivy Leagues and all, you need to clear these exams. You need to score well in these exams. So these are the exams. These are the exams I take care of, and I teach kids who wants to score well in SAT. Good morning, Akriti. Good morning, Shivani. Good morning, Tanu. Okay, so now in the past, many of my kids had scored this perfect 100, right? So this should be your target. If you're studying from Kunal sir, you should target to get 100, right? Even if not 100, your barrier should be this, because every year out of 10 kids, 8 kids score more than 90, many times 10 on 10, right? Last year my lowest score was 89. So that's my barrier, right? So anything below 90 is fail for me. Yeah, good morning. Good morning, Yuvraj. Good morning, Sharad. Good morning, Dayanama. Priyanka, good morning. Okay, chalo. Yeah, namaskar, Tanu. Chalo, we are starting polynomials. So if you are coming for the plus platform, use my referral code KC07. Use this referral code. You'll get a 10% discount on that subscription. So I think this will be helpful for you. Seeing the current situation, should need someone by your side where you can call up and ask what are the doubts. These are the chapters I am facing problem in. I'm ready to help you with all the maths syllabus, right? Chalo. Okay. No personal chats, bache. Concentrate on this. Okay, so I'm doing long division, starting with the basic thingy. Whoever don't know how to do long division, keep your pen and copy ready. So, what is this division? Basically, in polynomials, the chapter 2 of class 10, you need three things. You need splitting the middle terms. You need factorization, splitting. You need zeros of the polynomial, zeros and its coefficient. And the last thing is long division. So in my previous special classes, I had three special classes before that. In the first special class, I did the splitting, right? You can see my video there, splitting the middle term, which is very important. So to solve one sum of polynomials, you need these three things. So I have covered these three things in my special class, right? So the first one is splitting, the second is zeros. In day before yesterday's class, I have dealt with zeros of the polynomials, how to get the zeros, how to get the sum, how to get the product. These are the things required for the second exercise. And finally, you need long division. The long division is the part that I am doing today, right? So, should we start? Good morning, Surbhi. Good morning. Chalo, should we start? Should we start? Yes, okay, chalo. So, this is the first sum. Those who know how to divide a polynomial by this, they can start doing this sum and give me the answer. Give me the answer for what is the answer? The quotient and remainder is the answer. Give me the answer for quotient and remainder. So those who don't know, see this simple trick. So this is x4 plus 2x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 1, right? So I have many sums based on these long division. So you're dividing this polynomial by gx. Gx is x minus 2. The first and most important thing is you should place the power of x in decreasing order, 4 3 2 1 0, just like this. So in many sums you will find these orders jumbled, so you need to correct it first. Yeah, Akshavir, you can do by that, but you need to know this long division because you need to get the quotient for that final polynomial sum, right? So how to divide it? You can get the remainder, Akshay, but you can't get the quotient. You need to get the quotient as well, right? Okay, chalo. So divide. What's the trick? The trick is after putting the polynomials in right order. Right order means decreasing order of degree. Just see the first term. Both dividend and divisor should be in standard form. What is the standard form? decreasing power of x. Now, then see the first term. What is the first term? The first term is x4. Divide the first term by the first term. Roughly, this is a rough work. So what you get? X cube. So x cube, this is the thing. So you need to multiply this with x cube. Clear? So x into x cube is what? X4. Remember this. X, when you are dividing this by this, what should be multiplied with x to get the same thing? X4. So that term is x cube. Now many people get confused. What, where, how to multiply. So this is the simple trick. Take the first term divided by first term. पहले टर्म को पहले टर्म से रफ में डिवाइड करना है, जो भी बचे उससे ही हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है, राइट? दिस इज अ सिंपल हिंदी नोटेशन दैट आई सेड. टेक द फर्स्ट टर्म डिवाइडेड बाय फर्स्ट टर्म, whatever remainder comes multiplied with that. So you need to multiply x cube with both the terms. X cube into x is what? X4, and x cube into minus 2 is what? Minus 2x cube, right? Right. What happened, Yuvraj? This is not right. Okay, no personal chats now. Concentrate on this sum. Let others concentrate as well. So x into x cube is x4, minus 2 into x cube is minus 2x cube. Now you need to subtract this. So this is minus, this is plus, right? So this will get cancelled. So plus 2x cube plus 2x cube, what is left? 4x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 1, right? Right, Yuvraj? So now again, see the first term. This is 4x cube, this is x. What should be multiplied with x to get 4x cube? If you are confused, do a rough work. Divide the first term by the first term. What are you getting? You are getting 4x square, right? So this is plus 4x square. You need to take care of the sign as well. So plus 4x square. So x into 4x square is what? 4x cube. And 4x square into minus 2 is what? Minus 8x square. Now we will subtract. Why we subtract? Remember, suppose 13 is divided by 3. What we do? 3 4s are, it's 12, right? So we subtract. We always subtract. We don't put the sign, but it's always known that we subtract 13 and 12. So that's why we, after dividing, whatever the term comes, you need to subtract. So in polynomials, what we do? We change the sign of this thingy, minus 1. Perfect. So this is minus, this is plus. Yeah, good, Yuvraj. So this gets cancelled. What is left? Minus 3x square plus 8x square. This is what? Plus 5x square. Right? So plus 5x square plus x minus 1. Then now, what is left? 5x square and x. What should be multiplied with x to get 5x square? Tell me this answer. What should be multiplied with x to get 5x square? Yeah, it's class 10, Sachin. I'm just doing the basics of long division. Yes, 5x, not 4x. 5x is the right answer. So 5x divided by x, 5x square divided by x, this gets cancelled. What is left? 5x only. Okay. Okay, see, in long division, no issue there. We'll deal one more sum. So you need to do long division, 5x square plus x minus 1. What should be multiplied with x to get 5x square? So if you don't know what should be multiplied, do a rough work. 5x square divided by x. What comes? 5x. Multiply 5x with both the terms now. So this is 5x square minus 10x. Right? This is minus, this is plus. This gets cancelled. Plus x plus 10x is what? 11x minus 1. This is the way to do the rough work there. This is the first term. And this first term is fixed. So 11x divided by x. This is the rough work. So these both cancel. So what is left? This is 11. Right? So multiply this with 11. 11 into x is what? 11x. 11x minus 22. Right? So this is minus This is plus, this gets cancelled. Minus 1 plus 22 is what? It is 21. So this is the quotient. The quotient is x cubed plus 4x square plus 5x plus 11, right? And what is the remainder? Remainder is 21. How many of you got this? Yeah, Yuvraj, concentrate here, bache. Good. Good, Shruti. Very good. Yeah, Yuvraj, if you concentrate, you will get more sums like this. Chalo. Is it clear? Should we move on to the next sum? Chalo. Okay, clear. Do this sum first. Let's see who does this. Good Ashish, good Vikas. Do this sum. By putting that directly, you won't get the quotient. Arafa, you don't get the quotient. You will only get the remainder. That concept, we will be using that in the slides which will be coming after 4-5 slides. I think after 4-5 sums we will be doing that. But that is just to check the factor, right? If a polynomial is a factor of other or not. In that case, we check it. Basically, yeah, Chandan, we are having two classes. One is 130 to 230. I'm having class for polynomials at 130. And at 7:30 p.m., I'm having class for linear equation. So these are the two classes I am having, right? So now this is long division. This is in the correct form, but this is not in the correct form. You need to put this in standard form first. So this is the standard form is 3x plus 2. Let's divide this fast. 12x cube minus 13x square plus 5x plus 7, right? So again, as I said, if you are confused what to multiply 3x with to get 12x cube, do a rough work here. 12x cube divided by 3x. So this is a simple calculation. So this is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. X cube by x is what? X square. So that means you need to multiply this with the first term. So 3x into 4x square will give you 12x cube. Remember, even the sign should be same. So this is plus, so you got the same sign, plus only, plus 12x cube. But don't forget to multiply 4x square with 2 also. So 4x square into 2 is what? It is 8x square, right? So this is minus, this is also minus, this gets cancelled. Minus 13 minus 8 is what? Minus 21 x square plus 5x plus 7, right? Good, Shruti. Okay. So now, again, the first term is what? Minus 21x square divided by 3x. Cancel, cancel. So this is what? Minus 7x left. So you need to multiply it with some minus 7x. I am seeing many kids in my plus course and they are not able to divide, right? So this is the small trick. This is basically, you can say this is bachpan, the concept from class 7th, 8th, 9th is required. So this is minus 21x square, minus 14x, right? Am I going right? Tell me. Plus 5x, 14x is 19x plus 7. Yeah, it's easy question. So now what to multiply 3x with to get 19x? Tell me what should be multiplied 3x to get 19x? X minus 5. X minus 5 shouldn't be remainder, Ashish. No, I haven't taken minus comment here. See, minus 13 minus 8 is what? Is minus 21x square. Multiplying 3x with minus 7, get minus 21x square. And plus 2 into minus 7 is minus 14x. So if you add 5x and 14x, you need to change the sign. Then only this will get eliminated. We always subtract, right? Right? Okay, so plus 5x, 14x is 19x. So no, what should be multiplied with 3x to get 19x? So 19x divided by 3x. So cancel. So this is 19 by 3, right? It's 19 by 3. I'm revising 9 for class 10, right? I'm revising 9 for class 10 because this is required for 10th maths. Okay, so 19 by 3 into this is 19x and 19 by 3 into this is 38. 38 by 3. So now minus this gets cancelled. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 7 minus 38 by 3. This is very important. So this is 3. Take LCM. This is 21 minus 38. So 21 minus 38 is what? It is 17. Right? So minus 17 by 3. That's the remainder. So minus 17 by 3. That's the remainder. Right? So this is the remainder. And this is the quotient. This is the final answer. Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Chalo. Moving on to the next sum. Now, verify the division algorithm for the polynomial this and this. What is this division algorithm? You need to cross check it. You need to cross check it whether after dividing whatever, after you got quotient and remainder. So we know px is equal to gx, and suppose the quotient is qx and the remainder is Rx. Now, this is the most important sum of exercise 2.3, where you need to check division algorithm. What is this division algorithm? This is the division algorithm. So, Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. So, first you need to divide, you need to get the quotient, you need to get the remainder, and then you need to cross verify. You need to multiply the quotient with Gx, the divisor, add the remainder, and check whether it is same as polynomial or not, right? So I'm doing that. Chalo, let's see. Let's see. So let me get quotient and remainder first. This is exercise 2.3, question number 1 and 2. Very important. And it's a 3-marker sum. 3-marker sum in your board. Good. Yeah, Ashish. So that we need to check. So 2x4. Okay, now concentrate. No personal chat. Else I will stop this messages. Okay. So I can see everyone is having birthday today only. Huh? Okay, so let's see. Let's solve this. This will be my birthday gift to you. If you are able to solve this sum, we'll get 3 marks. So 3 marks from my side. Yeah, that's the reason. But many people are chatting unnecessarily. Okay, so already 25 minutes are gone. We have many sums to do. Right? Chalo. So again, I'm doing it directly now. I've made the concept clear. So multiply x with 2x cube to get 2x4. So 2x cube into 2 is what? Plus 4x cube. Plus 4x cube. Okay. So subtract that. This is minus. This is minus. This gets cancelled. Minus 6 minus 4 is what? Minus 10x cube. Minus 10x cube. So this is minus x plus 2, right? Okay. So what should be multiplied with minus 10x cube? So this is minus 10x square. Again, as I said, if you have any confusion, do a rough work. First term divided by first term. So what is left? Minus 10x square, right? So minus x square to x. This is the easiest trick. So minus 10x cube minus 20x square, right? So this is plus, this gets cancelled. 2 plus 2 is what? 22x square minus x plus 2. Now what should be multiplied with x to get 22x square? That's plus 22x. So plus 22x into this is 22x square 22x square plus 44x, right? So plus 44x, right? Okay, so this is minus, this is minus, this goes. So minus 45x plus 2. Hi Janvi, how are you? Long division, I'm revising long division. So x divided by x multiplied with minus 45. So this is the quotient that you got. I'm just revising that division algorithm that we did, I think, in the second or third class. Yeah, minus 45. Good, Arafa. Good. So minus 45x minus 90. So this is plus, this gets cancelled. So the remainder is 92. Now you need to check whether your answer is right or wrong. Division algorithm. Right? So let's see. Okay, so Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. So multiply this. Polynomial you need to get. So RHS we need to multiply and check whether we are getting it same or not. So Gx is x plus 2. This is division algorithm. You divide it, you get quotient, you get remainder. Now you are cross verifying it. So x plus 2 into 2x cube minus 10x square plus 22x minus 45. This is okay. I need to stop this chat now because you all are not concentrating, right? So let me concentrate. So x plus 2 this into this. So px RHS is what? Gx into qx plus rx. Now you need to concentrate. You won't be able to chat with me because you didn't listen, right? You need to concentrate. You want to study, you need to come on these platforms, right? For all those other things, we have many more uh, social media. You can use Facebook, you can use WhatsApp, anything. But for my platform, you need to come. If you want to study, please come. I'm ready to help you all. But if you don't want to study, nobody can help you, right? So let's see. Okay, so RHS is this is Gx and this is the quotient and plus the remainder. You need to cross-verify. This is division algorithm. So what is division algorithm? Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. So those who are studying, don't worry. I for the last 10, 15, 20 minutes, I will again put this messages on. Okay, you can ask your query there. So Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx plus Rx. The remainder is what? The remainder is 92. Okay, so I will repeat so that the students who are studying, they are not getting distracted by all these messages, right? So let's see. So RHS is Gx into Qx plus Rx, right? Just multiply it now. You should get the same Px. This is what division algorithm is. And this is a very important sub. This will be coming in your UT, in your midterms. It's very important. So just multiply now. So this is x into this is 2x4 minus 10x cube plus 22x square minus 45x. Now multiply 2 with all the terms. So this is plus 4x cube, right? Minus 20x square plus 44x minus 90, and there was 92 already there, right? Okay, chalo, got it? So 2x4 is 2x4 minus 10x cube and 4x cube is minus 6x cube. Keep checking, keep checking. You got this? Yeah, I got this. You got minus 6x cube. Yeah, it's there. Now, 22x square and minus 20x square. That is what? 2x square, right? 22x square minus 20x square is what? 2x square. Then minus 45x and plus 44x is what? Minus x. So you got this as well. And minus 92 plus 92 is plus 2. So this is the right division algorithm that we check. So this is the RHS that we check. And now RHS is equal to LHS. Clear? Clear now? Good. Push a thumbs up sign. Whoever have got it. Chalo, very good. Very good. Okay. I've got very good. I've got 26 thumbs ups now. So very good. Chalo. We will be chatting like this because there are many kids don't want to study. Time is very less now. Already June is over. So you are left with what? July, August, September, October, November, max December. So only 6 months left. Why? Because in January or mid-December, you will be having your pre-board exam. So you should be ready. This is the second chapter. Chalo. So this is the division algorithm. I hope everyone had got it. The first thing that I taught is long division, how to divide it. Then I have taught this division algorithm. This is exercise 2.3, question number 1 and 2 of your NCERT book. Next slide. Using remainder theorem. Now here we will be using remainder theorem to get whether this is a factor or not. Okay. Find the remainder. When it says find the remainder, then you can use the concept of remainder theorem and factor theorem taught in class 9. Right? So what is the zero of this? So gx is x minus 1. So what is the zero of this? X minus 1 is 0. So x is equal to 1. So this is the zero of the polynomial, right? So putting x is equal to 1 here, whatever the value comes, that's the remainder. So P1. So when x is 1, put the zero of this polynomial is what? 1. So I have taken a day before yesterday's class that was about zeros of polynomials only. If you are confused with zero of the polynomials, you can see my lecture, the special class. The zero is 1. So x is equal to 1. Put 1 here. So this is 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 9 into 1 plus 3. So this is 1 minus 6 plus 9 plus 3. So what is this? 13 minus 6, which is 7. So this is the remainder. This is the remainder. Right? Got it? Tell me if you got it. Good, good, very good. So this is the way to find the remainder. And if the remainder comes 0, then it's a factor. If the remainder comes 0, then it's a factor. Okay. So again, just explaining it again. Using the remainder theorem, find the remainder when px is divided by gx. So what you do, you don't do long division here. You just need to find the remainder. So to just find the remainder, what you do? You just get the zero of this polynomial. So what is the zero of this polynomial? 1, right? So if x is 1, put the value of x1 here. So whatever p1 comes, that will be your remainder. So put x as 1. So 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 9 into 1 plus 3. So this is the final answer. Got it? Okay. Chalo. Give me the answer for the next one. Give me the answer for the next one. Get me the zeros. Get me the remainder first. I will put this chat on the enable mode. Give me the answer. But I just need the answer. No personal chats. Right? Get the answer. I will enable this chat just to give that answer. And I will open it for only 30 seconds. Get the answer first. Get the answer first. Giving you 30 seconds. So now you can give me the answer. Whoever I've got it. So need to find the zero of this. So x minus 2 is 0. So x is 2. Find P2. Find P2. P2. What's the answer? Give me the answer. Give me the answer fast. 726. 2. 726. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? So let me check. T 2 square, sorry, 2 to the power 4 minus 6 into 2 square minus 8 into 2 minus 2. So what is 2 to the power 4? This is 16. 16 3 is a 48 minus 24 minus 16 minus 2. Right? So this is 48. This is 48 minus 24 is 24 minus 18. What is 24 minus 18? Right? What is 24 minus 18? It is 6. Yeah, right. Right, Rafa, right. Good. Got it? Got the concept? Clear? How to get the remainder clear now? Okay. So there are many sums. Okay. So similarly, we can do these sums, right? So I'm leaving these sums for you all. Just do as a practice. You just need to find the remainder in these types of sum, right? Chalo. You can see these videos again, and then you can find the zeros. These are just for practice, right? This will help you to get yourself prepared for that chapter 2. And come for my plus courses. I will be having detailed class on all the topics. I've started polynomials. I have started linear equation. And from tomorrow, I am doing statistics on plus course. I'm just starting a new chapter, statistics. Right. Okay. So now next sum. Next sum, give me the answer for this one. I need the answer for this one. Yeah, thanks, Arafa. So Px is this, Gx is 2x minus 3. Px is this, Gx is 2x minus 3. Give me the answer. We'll provide that next time. We'll provide that next time. Ravi, will provide that. Okay. So get the 0 first. Get the 0 first. This is in fractions. Remember, 2x minus 3 is 0. So 2x is 3. 2x is 3. Then x is 3 by 2. This is the 0 of the polynomial. Right, Arafa? So this is the 0 of the polynomial. Then put 3 by 2 here. So put 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is what? 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube minus 9 into 3 by 2 whole square, right? Plus 3 by 2 plus 15, right? So 3 by 2 whole cube is what? It is 27 by 8 minus, this is again 29, 81, 81 by 4, right? So this is plus 3 by 2 plus 15, right? So this is 27 by 4 minus 81 by 4 plus 3 by 2 and 15. I'm taking LCM. I'm doing steps so that you don't get confused how I did it. Okay, so I have expanded everything. So this is cube, this is square, this is 9. 9 into 9 is 81. And this. So LCM of 4 and 2 is 4, right? So this is 27 minus 81 plus 2 2s are 4. So this is 6 plus 60. So adding all these, 27 plus 66 is what? 93. So this is 93 minus 81 by 4. So 93 minus 81 is what? It is 12 by 4. Perfect. Yeah. Right answer. Arafa, good. Very good. Chal. See the next one. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Chalo, good. So similarly, you can do this same. So the 0 of this polynomial is minus 2 by 3. So this is minus 2 by 3. You need to get the value of minus 2 by 3, right? So this you can do, right? So this I have left it for your practice, right? So you can do these sums as practice. So these are the zeros. This is the way to find the remainder and polynomial. So same way we can do this. Only thing that you need to remember is 1 minus 3 by 2x. This should be equal to 0. So 1 is equal to 3x by 2. So remember 3x is 2. So the 0 of the polynomial is 2 by 3. Yeah, Carrie, how are you? Right? Okay, chalo. Very good. Very good. See this sum. This is an important one. The polynomials this and this when divided by x minus 2 leaves the same remainder. Find the value of a. Find the value of a, leaves the same remainder. So what is the 0 of this polynomial? X minus 2 is 0, so x is 2. So take this polynomial as px, which is 2x cube plus x square minus ax plus 2. And the other polynomial as gx, which is 2x cube. Yeah, you have to put both of them in the same equation. Whatever the zeros is, put x is equal to 2 in both the equations. Whatever you got, that's the remainder, and equate them. Then only you can be able to find the value of a. Okay. So gx is what? 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus a. So this is the remainder concept, and this we use in class 10th as well. So get P2. What is P2? I'm doing it directly. So putting 2 here. So this will be 16. This will be 4 minus 2a plus 2. So what's the remainder? Remainder is 22 minus 2a. That is P2. Similarly, what is G2? G2 is what? Putting x as 2 here again. So this is 8. This is 16 minus 12 minus 6 plus a, right? Okay, again, no personal chats. Leave Mac. Those who want to study, concentrate here. So 16 minus 18 is what? 16 minus 18 is what? Minus 2 plus a. So this is the remainder here and this is the remainder here. So it says they leave the same remainder. They leave the same remainder. If they are leaving the same remainder, both these remainder should be equal, right? So 22 minus 2a is equal to minus 2 plus a. So take it to one side. 24 is equal to a plus 2a. So you got 3a as 24. So implies a will be 24 by 3. That means a is 8. Got it? Got it? Okay, chalo. ठीक है. Solve this. Polynomial this, when divided by x minus 1 and x plus 1 leaves the remainder 5 and 19. Find the values of a and b. Here you need to use the concept of two chapters. First is polynomial, the other is linear equation in two variable. Right? So these are not the factors and nor they have the same remainder. Solve this. Yes, Arafa. Yeah. Chalo, solve this. Let's see who solved this. And finally, you need to get the remainder. So this too you know, but first get me the value of a and b fast. So if this polynomial when divided by x minus 1, this leaves remainder of 5. What do you mean by this? The meaning of this is keep P1. P1 is 5, right? And what's the other meaning? When it is divided by x plus 1, what's the remainder? Is 19. So P minus 1. P minus 1. Why minus 1? Because x plus 1, 0 of that is minus 1. So P minus 1 is equal to P minus 1 is equal to 19. From here, you will get two equations in A and B. Then you need to solve it simultaneously, right? Chalo. So putting 1 here in this polynomial px, so you get 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus a plus b is equal to 5, right? So this is 4 minus 2 is 2 minus a plus b is 5. So finally you got the first equation, minus a plus b is equal to 3. This is the first equation. Clear? Now putting p minus 1, p minus 1. So this is minus 1 to the power of 4 is again plus 1 because the power is even. This is plus 2, y plus 2 because putting x as minus 1 cube is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So this is plus. So plus 2 and plus 3 because minus 1 square is again positive, plus a plus b, this is equal to 19. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, so now 6 plus a plus b is 19. So a plus b is 13. Clear? So this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Solve it simultaneously. You can easily get this. You can add it, it will get eliminated, right? So this gets cancelled. B plus b is 2b. 2b is 16. 2b is 16. So b is 8, right? So b is 8. Putting b here. A plus 8 is 13. So a is what? A is 5. Clear? Clear? So a is 5. B is 8. By putting a and b in this equation again, then you need to find the remainder again. So this is a lengthy sum. It will be a 4-marker sum. Right? Chalo, very good. So these are the sums. They are in 10th as well. Using factor theorem so that gx is a factor of this. Yeah, it's easy, carry. Yeah, it's easy. So this is a factor. This is a factor. That means you need to show whether the remainder is 0 or not. If it's a factor, obviously it will be 0. So the 0 of this polynomial is x is equal to 2. Put it here. P2 should be 0. So P2 you can check. This is 2 cube minus 8. 8 minus 8. This is 0. Right? Chalo. Very good. Now, these are the sums. Again, you need to find the remainder. So I am giving you a tough sum now. For long division, whatever we have studied today, long division by a divisor which is trinomial. Till now the sums were binomial. This is also easy. Giving you a sum which is having a divisor which is trinomial, having 3 terms. So before that, there's one more sum. Find the value of k for which x minus 1 is a factor of this. So if we know x minus 1 is a factor and we have taken this as px, px is 2x cubed plus 9x square plus x plus k. It is given x minus 1 is a factor. So implies what? Implies p1 is 0, right? Functions. Which functions, Rafa? p1 is 0. So putting 1 as 0, you putting 1 in this equation and equal to 0, you will get the value of k, right? So put that 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. So this is 12 plus k is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 12, right? Right, Arafa? Okay. Chalo. Next sum. Do this sum. This is the sum that I was talking about. This is a polynomial divided by a divisor which has 3 terms. This is there from your chapter 2 exercise 2.3. So 2.3, this is the first and second sum. Chalo. I have all these sums. Don't worry, Arafa. I have these sums. Give me the quotient and remainder fast. So first you need to put this in standard form. So the standard form is x square minus x plus 2. Now divide this by the polynomial 3x cube minus 4x square plus 7x minus 2. These are the sums. These are the sums there. They are in your book, NCERT. Yeah, you can see the video again. Afraid, no issue. I've done long division today. It's a long division concept required to do chapter 2. So this is a polynomial divided by a polynomial which is having 3 terms, trinomial. So again, what should be multiplied with x squared to get 3x cubed? 3x. Perfect. Perfect. So 3x into x square is what? 3x cube. Multiply with all the terms. So this is minus 3x square minus 3x square plus 6x. Suppose if x square was not there, only 3x cube plus 7x minus 2 was there. Listen to me. If suppose x square was not there, only 7x and minus 2 was there, you need to put a 0 into x square in between that cubic and the linear term, so that you don't get confused where to put this minus 3x square. Right? Got it? Okay, so ja subtracted, so this gets cancelled. This is minus, this is plus, this is plus, this is minus. So minus 4x square plus 3x square is minus x square, plus 7x minus 6x is what? Plus x minus 2, right? Okay. So now what to multiply x square to get minus x square? Tell me. Tell me. What should be multiply x square to get minus x square? Very good, Shravan. Very good. No, Shravan, not 1. Not 1. You missed the sign. Yeah, Rafa, right. It's minus 1. Okay. If you have confusion, put the first term divided by first term on the rough work. This gets cancelled. Minus 1. The sign is very important. It's okay, Shravan. No issue. Minus 1 is minus x square plus x minus x square plus x minus 2. So this is plus, this is minus, and this is also plus. So this gets cancelled. So the remainder is 0. So we say gx is a factor. Gx is a factor of the polynomial fx, right? So we say gx is the factor of the polynomial fx. Clear? Yeah, I'm audible now, Monica. Yeah, chalo. Chalo, let's do one more sum for this. Then we'll wind up the session for today. Give me this answer. By division method, whether you have to check whether this is a factor or not. Chalo. Let's see who gives me the right answer. I'm just giving you 1 minute. Time starts now. 60 seconds. Tell me whether this is a factor or not. Okay, good, Monica. Chalo, solve it. Solve it, solve it. 30 seconds left. Hello, take 60 seconds more, dear. No issue. The 60 seconds are over. I'm giving you another 60 seconds. Solve this. Good morning, Acharya. Very late to join. Yeah. What's the answer, Shravan? Is it a factor or no? What's the remainder? Okay. 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 So now let's check. Now last 10 seconds left, Arafa. Tell me. No issue dear, no issue. See my lecture, it's all about long division required for chapter 2, right? Not a factor. Okay, no factor. Okay. Okay, chalo, let's check. Let's check. Time is over now. So multiply this with x square. So you will get x4 minus 7x cube. Why I am multiplying this with x square? I have explained this in my previous slide. So I'm doing it directly now. So this gets cancelled. Minus 8 plus 7 x cube is minus x cube plus 5x square plus 22x minus 24, right? So now x square into minus x cube. So x square into minus x is what? Minus x cube. Minus into this is plus 7x square, plus 7x square. And this is minus 12x, right? Am I going right? So this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this gets cancelled. Plus 5x square minus 7x square is minus 2x square plus 14x minus 24. Again, multiply this with minus 2. Minus 2, so this is minus 2x square minus 2x square plus 14x plus 14x and plus 12 into minus 2 is minus 24. So everything is getting cancelled, Shravan. Right? This is also cancelled. This is also, the remainder is 0. So this is a factor. Right? Yeah, it's a factor. Yeah, good. Right, Arafa. Yeah. This is a factor. So this is what I said. You need to concentrate. You need to concentrate. You have to see whether this is a factor or not. On dividing, the remainder is 0. Is it clear, Shravan? Yeah. So daily class, one is at 1:30, the other it at 7:30, right? So 1:30, I am doing polynomials, and today I am doing the optional exercise 2.4 of polynomials. And at 7:30, I am doing linear equation in two variable, where I am doing elimination method. So there are two chapters going on. At 1:30, it is polynomial, and at 7:30, it's linear equation. I will be doing all these things in detail. And from tomorrow, I am starting statistics in the as this timing. 1:30, I'm starting statistics also, right? No, 7:30 p.m. dear, not morning, 7:30 p.m. This is afternoon, 7:30 p.m. linear equation. Right, clear? Hope you have enjoyed this session. How was the session? Tell me. Statistics, I'm starting from tomorrow, Arafa. At same time, 1:30, I'm starting statistics tomorrow. Okay, chalo. So this is again about Unacademy. If you want to join me, you need to use this referral code KC07 to get this subscription done. And these are the things, these are the features available with Unacademy, right? So, want to join me for my courses, which I have planned in such a manner that you will get very good score. I teach from my assignment, right? I make you prepared to do all those NCERT sums by your own. I will make you do as many sums as possible so that you are comfortable with NCERT. And if you are comfortable with NCERT, both with the exercises as well as the optional exercise, I don't think nobody can stop you from getting that 100, right? That magical figure, right? Clear? So this is the way to join Unacademy. These are the subscription available. Okay, these are the different plans. You can come, you can join there. This is the site. These are the different subscription available, right? These are the subscription available. You can join my courses. I have a planned structure, right? So use my referral code, as I said, KC07, and come. We will be having good sessions there as well, right? Whatever you feel, Shravan, whatever you feel, right? Chalo. Okay. Take care. Bye. I had a nice session as well. And Jai Hind. Clear? Okay. Bye. Bye, Shravan. Bye, Arafa. Had a nice session. Yeah. Bye, Prashant. Bye, Shruti. Bye, Afreen. Bye, Mehak. Chalo. Bye. Take care.